In this segment, we'll look at how the Kentik Data Explorer makes it easy to get from top-level views of your network all the way down to individual flows. Behind the scenes, the Kentik Data Engine collects and retains any volume of flow data, storing it in a custom distributed column store database. We can start off by looking at top-level network information like total traffic over time across a router, multiple routers, interfaces, and other objects in your network. But then we can drill down into the data and group it by, for example, destination port number. The portal shows us both time series data as a stacked graph and also summary data in a table format. If we see something that warrants further attention, we can immediately investigate. For example, maybe we're interested in this traffic towards port 119, which is newsgroup traffic. We can isolate it here in the table and ask to show me the newsgroup traffic by source IP address. You'll see on the left, the system automatically added a filter, so now we're looking only at traffic toward that one destination port, and we're grouping the traffic now by source IP address. You can see all the top source IPs, or just as easily, we can look at the destination side. We could roll up the individual IPs into subnets along arbitrary boundaries, and if we wanted to go a little bit more detailed, we could look at the full conversations by adding a few more dimensions. Now we can see the top flow in terms of traffic volume, again still filtering based on destination port 119. We're looking at traffic from this source IP and source port to this destination IP and destination port. We don't necessarily have to look at the top N reports and click or drill down. We can also filter directly on anything in the network that we're interested in. Perhaps I have a question about an arbitrary IP address. I can plug that in here as a filter directly. Just put in the destination IP filter. I'll choose Google's public DNS server IP because I know we've got some traffic going there, and now I can see the total traffic volume to that destination. Again, I can group it or filter it by any other dimension. We're also correlating all the flow data with a number of other data sources at ingest. For example, we look up both the source and destination IP in a geo table, with the option to also add a BGP table. We also correlate the flows with SNMP interface names and descriptions, which allow us to group the traffic by interface pairs on this device. I can then add a filter to limit this just to the interfaces that had certain strings or regex in the interface name or description. On the BGP and geo front, we could group traffic by destination country, and then pick a country from the list and say, let's look at the traffic to Germany by destination AS number. Going a bit deeper, I could look at the traffic by the full destination BGP AS path. We can then add filters to look at paths that contained specific AS hops. For example, here I'm interested only in traffic going to Germany where Cogent's ASN appeared in the path. As you can see, the Kentik Data Explorer is a powerful tool for a variety of network operations use cases. For more information, to request a demo, or to sign up for a free trial, visit our website at kentik.com.